Brad Williams, XL Prime. Sum all odd numbers in the list. Pretty straightforward. A simple sum product with, well, a new tool. Not a new tool, but a new tool within SUMPRODUCT. We want to look at a list of numbers, and we want to know which ones are odd. And the easiest way to do that is nest a mod function in there. The mod function is going to return the remainder after dividing. The way we have this set up, here mod, we have a number here, and then we have a divisor. If it equals 1, then we're going to count it. Otherwise, it's an even number. You can work out mod internally or elsewhere, but here I've covered mod pretty thoroughly. You should be keen on mod. If not, open it up and look at how it works. Here we're looking at this list here. If it ends in an even number, it's not countable. If it ends up in an odd number, it'll be odd. Even without using mod, we can figure that out. Visually, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit F9. If you had a list that was 4,000 items long, you could see where this formula serves its purpose. Even numbers, we're going to have mod equals 0. Why? Because its even number is evenly divisible by 2. F9. What's the divisor? Well, right here. The divisor is 2. Look here, 22. The multiplier is 11. Avocado. You can break that down to 2 if you really need to. It's actually 8. For simplicity, we're not trying to find the root times, 4 to the second, or 2 times 2 is 4 times, okay, 2 to the third. All right. And you can see there'll be 9. Anyway, the point is, here's a very simple way to count even and odd numbers using mod in SUMPRODUCT. We'll look at this thing. Take a look here. We'll just capture this, F9. And we get false, true, true, false, true, false. Odd numbers, false, because it's even. True, because it's false. False, true, true, true. So our count should be 2. We can look here. What does that double unary do? F9, it converts it to 1 and 0. SUMPRODUCT now needs to multiply within itself. 0 times 1 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 0 is 4. 0 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1, SUMPRODUCT will multiply within itself. We're going to get 2. Read it if you need it. Review the anatomy if necessary. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.